This is not ending. We had Amazon earnings today, and the thing is, you can't even find it on the chart. Amazon's price, where it is. It is down here at $200, my friends. Market is just in the free fall. It's just a collapse everywhere. However, they will eventually become a really good opportunities to buy. And in this video, I'll be taking you over Amazon, and we'll take a look at in general other stocks as well. We'll take a look at Bitcoin as well here again, how things have come out so far since morning, and many other tech stocks as well we'll take a look at, because the collapse is just not stopping right now in the market. So with that, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Also, please hit the like and subscribe, guys, if you find my videos valuable and helpful. Your like and subscribe goes a long way in helping out the channel, and I appreciate that. So Amazon, let's talk about this first, okay? Technically, from the estimates, they only missed on the earnings per share by 1%, nothing significant. But the issue is that the capex, and there's one more point, we'll get to that, but they plan to go beyond $200 billion in AI spending in 2026. And then also we have, saw the strong sales and AWS growth, but the free cash flow dropped 71% year over year. Wall Street is a big fan of free cash flow. They don't see it, or they see it in the decline, consider it the game over for the stock price in the recent, at least near-term proximity of the timeline. Now, Amazon was already declining in the morning today. It already gapped lower and was around this 200 days moving average. But then earnings happened, and poor thing just completely collapsed, right? So where is the price action price right now? 199 is down right over here. And it's full on bearish, guys. Can it bounce tomorrow? Yes, it can bounce. But most likely the strength would not come on this thing right now, in my opinion. I think Amazon may continue lower. I see that as an opportunity at cheaper levels to buy Amazon. I don't hold Amazon in my portfolio anywhere, so I would love to buy Amazon. It was in the sideways action for forever, never gave a clear breakout, so I never bought it. But eventually this will become a buy, not right now. I want to see tomorrow what happens. If you see a green candle here tomorrow, it's a good sign, but let's see how much strength it would have. I want to see first tomorrow as well. So far things are not looking good. Most likely we will remain in this bearish move on this thing. It's a really bad red candle, guys. It's a really bad, I mean, even if a rebound comes tomorrow, it's not going to make it bullish for longevity. A rebound may stop at 211 and 50 cents around. That may be the top line on this thing for the rebound, even if that comes tomorrow. And as if it falls and continues to fall, it has a room to actually test this zone of 165. I may buy at 165, but right now I want to see where the market will stabilize. I have been buying a lot of stuff lately, and at this point I'm also like, okay, let the market, even in the long-term portfolio, from the technical perspective, I'm not long much of the market. Technical trading I'm doing mostly on the short side, like, which is more for the near-term stocks that I like for day trade purposes and or multi-day swing trade purposes. Amazon, I only look at it from the long-term perspective. I don't do day trade or multi-day on Amazon. It's not a great stock for that. It's mostly for a long-term type of a stock, and I don't want to short a stock like Amazon. These are the stocks that you would want to hold in your portfolio. These are behemoths. So eventually I may get an opportunity to buy Amazon. I'm not going to dip into it right away. I like to see some technical confirmation, and so, but it's on my list. Okay, so yeah, really broken down over here. This is just, yeah, really bad air, guys. Okay, let's take a look at some of the other tech stocks as well. We'll take a look at Bitcoin as well later in this video. So let's get to S&P 500. It's already declining as well. But it's like for S&P 500 guys, compared to some of the tech stocks, it's still not that bad. But in the post market, we are at 673, coming down here. And yeah, so it's slowly and slowly coming down here, but it's not too much to worry about. But yeah, it's coming down as well. I mean, we had, the earnings there, the bad one. We'll take a look at MicroStrategy thing as well, right? It had its earnings, but it's mostly reliant on Bitcoin. So this is Nasdaq 100, 590 already over here. So getting very close to the 200 days moving average. So anyhow, it's also coming down. Microsoft had a really bad day today as well, but it's also, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine in a way for the long term. It's a good opportunities on these stocks to buy. Just keep some, money on the side as well. Just don't go all in right away. Okay. But yeah, a red day on Microsoft as well. Still, technically, it's still bearish and continues to be bearish. Apple is doing fine. I may do a video on this later why I think it's fine. And again, if you have my tools and also if you're on my Patreon as a member for the stocks coverage, you would have known that we are bullish on this thing, and I have talked about it there as well. Meta in the post market 651 down over here, also continues to collapse now and is staying in the downtrend. It's just, yeah, the stuff is just not ending. All right, it's just yeah, look at it. It gave up all its earnings gain. I'm really happy that I sold all of my Meta in the next 2 days of the earnings. So when the gap up happened and couldn't hold 709, I gave the exact plan on my Patreon as well to my members. So we made a lot of money on our positions on the long side. And right now I'm not in any position with Meta. I don't like to short tech stocks on the swing or multi-day. So I don't have a short position, but technically we are bearish. I don't have any long position either. Took the profits, got out. And this may eventually again become a buy, but not right now. Netflix is not that bad, but it has already had its bad days. So Google came back up fine, post market a little bit down again below the yellow zone. I did a video on this yesterday on my channel. You can check it out. Amazon, we just took a look at it. Not sure what's going on with United Health Group. I don't see any news, but this thing is collapsing here in the post market more. So going down to 260. I have some detailed plan on my Patreon for this as well. I talk with my members there. Okay, let's get to Bitcoin here. And Bitcoin, let's take a look at that. And you know what, let's take a look at strategy first, because strategy had its earnings. Okay, poor thing is at 104 right now. It's gonna not do much, guys. Actually, with its earnings, it's all comes down to Bitcoin. When Bitcoin will go up, then only strategy may a little bit go up. I would suggest don't do strategy, don't do MicroStrategy. I mean, just look at Bitcoin and do Bitcoin. The way strategy is structured is not in your benefit. Coin is also collapsing, just like another red day after red day, and there's just nothing showing up here. Earnings are a little bit after on 12th of February, so it's still days left here on the earnings. But yeah, the coin is also just like complete free fall. Maybe it has fallen way much worse than Bitcoin here, right? Palantir also you can see collapsing. Anyways, detailed plan is on my Patreon on Palantir as well. All right, Bitcoin. So let's get to it. So this thing on the weekly interval is getting close to the 200 weeks moving average. Not there yet. I really wanted to hit it so that at least that whole scenario is out of the way and we are no longer waiting for it to hit 200 weeks moving average. At least we'll get to see if it's hold or gonna slip lower. I want to show you actually on the 5 minutes what I have been watching actually on Bitcoin here on the 5 minutes. Near term is trying to find a bottom, at least for the day, for some rebound to happen from here. But yeah, the technical is trying to find a bottom, at least for the day. I'm not saying it's the bottom for continuation forever. No, not right away. But at least for few hours, this may become a bottom. And if you are like a trader on, you know, day trade side on the Bitcoin or multi-day side, then you may see some rebound soon happening above 64,620. Maybe that will push us up to 66,573. Nothing more than that though. But trading against the trend, which is in this case will be a rebound because our overall structure is bearish, is really like, you need really proper risk management and be willing with the losses as well, right? Be okay with the losses, I mean. So that's where your market is right now, guys. Amazon didn't help. Right now, nothing is helping. Nothing is helping. There is something in the market that a catalyst. Look, sentiment doesn't changes in a day. So this will, sentiment for everything will change after in a month or so, if that has to even happen. But right now, no. I look, if bottom has to happen on Bitcoin at 200 weeks moving average, we will know by in couple of days. I mean, we will know that in couple of days, but we are getting very close. I'm seeing the charts everywhere. I think we are getting very close to this crash of completing, and we may start to see some accumulation phase beginning soon in the market, but we'll see. I'll talk more in detail on my Patreon with my members over the weekend. If you are interested to check out the details for that, you will find the details in the description of this video. And please hit the like and subscribe, guys, if you find my videos helpful and valuable. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.